It's time for calendar and weather. Do you remember the month we're in? What's it called? We are in April. And do you know what number comes after 28? Well, think when you're counting. 28, 29. I heard some of you say it. Look at our hundreds chart. Here's the 28. The number after is 29. Let's go ahead and get that number. It's April 29th, 2022. Let's put this on the calendar. Oh, and what day of the week are we on today? Do you know? I know it's the end of the school week. Let's see, what day ends the school week? Let's look at our days of the week resource. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Do you know? Look at the day of the week that starts with F fun. Did you find it? Here it is. Friday, Friday. Did you remember that? If you did, go ahead and pat yourself on the back. Let's get that word. Today is Friday. And do you know what yesterday was? Well, think. If today is Friday, then the day before Friday is right here. TH. Tongue my teeth. Thursday, Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday. And do you know what tomorrow will be? Let's see. If today is Friday, the day after Friday is Saturday, Saturday. Did you remember that? If you did, great job. Let's get that word. Tomorrow will be Saturday. And do you recall the season that we're in? Well, look around at some of the clues that are on the wall. What season is it? Let's look back at our seasons and months resource. I know we're in April. Look at the picture and word. What's the name of this season? It is spring. Let's go ahead and get that to put on the calendar. Spring. And let's describe today's weather in Northern Virginia. The weather is sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or windy. Well, what do you think? Oh, it's definitely sunny today. Now it's going to be high about 63 degrees Fahrenheit, and I think 36 degrees Fahrenheit for the low today. Let's go ahead and figure out how many days we've now been in school. Do you know? Well, let's think. If we were on 145 yesterday, what number comes after that? Do you know, mathematicians? Well, think when you're counting 145, 146. If you knew that, great job. Let's go ahead and look at this for a moment on the number 45, and then the number after is 46. So let's make this number. We're going to go ahead and make this big number. So many days learning together in kindergarten. You're almost big time first graders. Say it with me. 146. We have 100, 4 tens, 6 ones. Let's get one counting rod. We're going to add the one counting rod to the ones pocket and then count starting with our 100. Okay, everybody, count with me. Say 100. How many hundreds? 100. Keep the 100 in your brain. And let's get the 4 tens to put with the 100. Did you keep the 100 in your brain? Okay, let's go ahead and put the 4 tens with it. 110, 120, 130, 140. Now, let's get the 6 ones and put it with the 140. Did you keep the 140 in your brain? Here are the 6 ones. 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146. We're going to put the 6 ones back in the ones pocket, and let's go ahead next to do our tally mark. Remember, we're going to be pulling straight down to add a day for how many days we've been in school. And then let's skip count by 5s 29 times, and then put the 1 with it. Are you ready? Okay, mathematicians, we're going to go fast. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 100. 5, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 146. So many days learning together in kindergarten. Let's go ahead and write today's date. You need something to write on and something to write with. Oh, and I have a correction on today's weather. It's going to be high 64 degrees Fahrenheit and low 39 degrees Fahrenheit. Still chilly, but a little warmer than I had originally said. Let's write April 29th, 2022. Oh, and tomorrow's the last day in April. Do you know what month is after April? Think January, February, March, April, May. Did you know May? Look at our resource. When we come back on Monday, class family, we're going to be a new month, still in the season of spring, but the month after April is May. Go ahead, write down today's date, April 29th, 2022. Practice reading it. Hit the subscribe button and thumbs up if you like this video.